We welcome everyone who is new to this video and those who are already connected with us. In this video we will tell you how you can repair Samsung Mobile A04, which in this video we show you that the LCD of the phone we have is broken. In this video we will show you how to remove the broken LCD and replace it with a new one. Hope you will like our video. 1. First step. Understand the tips for taking out mobile LCD. You can see YouTube or other online instructions for this. Two. Once the LCD is pulled out, compare it with the new LCD and make sure the new LCD is all aligned correctly. Three. Be careful when replacing the LCD. Especially understand the correct way to connect these system connectors. Four. This work will require proper tools and stationery, using which the LCD will be mounted in the mobile. Five. Remind them to do this process very carefully and carefully, as there are many delicate parts inside the mobile. Mounting order. Put all the parts of the mobile back in their correct mounting order. Also, if you removed any extra parts to make the mobile work, put them back in as well. Mounting order. Put all the parts of the mobile back in their correct mounting order. Also, if you removed any extra parts to make the mobile work, put them back in as well. Protect your mobile ***. Use a mobile cure case or screen protector to keep your mobile beautiful and safe. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and press bell icon so that the notification of every new video can reach up.